Hi, this is Brianna with journal number 4 for EDAD 606. My thoughts on the phrase, what gets measured gets done, is that it is very accurate. Where you put your focus and concentration and where you spend time collecting and analyzing data is where you make changes and where you, in essence, get things done. This applies to education assessment and accountability with our focus on standardized test scores. The more that we focus on standardized test scores and where our students are academically, the more schools turn to focusing solely on academics and letting other things go to the wayside. As I was doing my research on this phrase, I came across an article in Educational Leadership about the NCLB era and this shift to focusing on academic data and not as much on behavioral data. Where I have seen this be a catalyst for change was within my own school site. When we noticed that our test scores were not up to par with the rest of the state, we knew we needed to make some changes. We've added a system called monthly data digs where teachers are pulled from their classrooms to analyze current academic data on their students and then make changes to instructional practices. Because of this, we have steadily seen our test scores go up and continue to make instructional changes for the better on our school site. Where I have seen the lack of measurement contribute to a change in initiatives failing is within our PBIS system. We are a PBIS school focused on behavior, but we have not implemented properly the data analyzing part of behavior or the collection part. We talk about behavior a little bit, but we don't put an emphasis or a focus. We don't collect data on behavior to analyze it like we do academics. And in that aspect, we've seen our behaviors continue to escalate. We see more detentions, more suspensions, instead of being able to make systematic changes that would make these numbers go down. How I intend to apply this phrase in my role as a leader is to be making sure that our focus and concentration is in the right spot, and that we're not only measuring academic data for our students, but anything that goes into making our school the best it can be for the students. And that in turns behavior, after school programs, and anything that students interact with during the school day.